Barney and Buddy. And there's Sue. Reading her paper. There's a storm surge. Going down already. That was way up. It's normally about 4 feet below that. And there's an iguana. It's like, what's going on here? What are you doing, Marty? What are you doing? Don't step off the edge. Go into the abyss. Tide's supposed to go down all day. It's be dropping. That's what it looks like. Got up a lot higher during a hurricane, but it's all we got now. Sue's got to clean this up one of these days. Got to get her out here. Here she is, looking in the paper. Alright, see you next time. Signing off from Cape Coral.